Hello there, beautiful people. I wanted to review these adorable character plush slippers made by Bioworld. These are a size XL, which is a upside down 12 to 13 in men's. And for women, that's like a good size 14, 15. So it's for big feet. I mean, they fit big feet. They just have an extra back cushiony. I've worn my husband's for a while, and I decided that I wanted my own pair, so I got myself a pair. They don't make any noises, but they're very cute. They also make these in Stormtrooper, Yoda, and Darth Vader. And let me just show you for comparison. These are my Yoda slippers that I've had for a good amount of time. And what's unique about the Chewbacca slippers is that they both have character eyes, which is super cute. Not just painted on like Yoda, but they're so comfortable. I wear the Yoda ones all the time. These Chewbacca ones are super duper fun, and I live in a large apartment complex, and I will actually step outside and get the mail with these, and if I get in the elevator with a dog, they usually think that they are a toy for them to play with. Like I said, they're super fun, super squishy. Just a cute addition to they keep your feet warm but not too hot. They're not super duper expensive, but worth I don't know. You can cut that out. Like I said, they're super cute, super fun. Star Wars branded Bioworld Chewbacca slippers. If there weren't laws on wearing shoes or having to wear high heels as a woman, I would wear these everywhere. I mean, look at that face. How cute is that? They're really sweet, really soft. They're 100% polyester. And like I said, they don't make your feet sweat or anything like that. They just keep them a little warm. And since you have the back open, you have that air, but it's nice and plush and fun to squeeze in front of them. And I like to lift my toes up and down and confuse dogs with these all the time. Well, my Yoda ones at least. These are the Chewbacca ones that I bought for myself because I needed to have my own pair. They're a great gift. I've given my friend a pair of Yoda ones. She's actually almost worn them outside of the house as well. She didn't even realize that she was stepping out of the house in her own slippers. I've actually had the Yoda ones for about 6 months, and my husband had the Chewbacca ones for 6 months, and I figured it was time to buy myself a pair of the Chewbacca slippers. Let me see his little nose, little plastic nose, which also Yoda does not have. Yoda does not have a plastic nose. He has painted on eyes, but still super cute. So again, these are the Chewbacca slippers that I would wear all around town if I could. And let's see. If I had to rate them out of 5 stars, I would give them 5 stars because my other ones, my Yoda ones, have lasted so long. There's no wear or tear. It's just kind of a little bit of a in the heel, just from wearing down from walking on them. But they're nice and squishy and plush and make a great little gift. I've given them to actually my brother-in-law. I've gotten him a pair, and my nephew. I think I got them Stormtroopers, and also one of them Darth Vader. So these are a really cute little item. Something really fun if you're a Star Wars fan to add to your collection of wearable Star Wars fan art. And Bioworld is, knocked it out of the park, made a really good product. I just absolutely love them. They're super cute. And it's just those adorable blue eyes staring back at me. And I love Chewbacca's roar. I wish it actually had that little roar about it, but I'll settle for cute eyes and a cute nose and a big squishy face, which is adorable. So if you want something that's something you can wear in the winter, something you can wear in the summer, these work for both. They will keep your feet warm, but also at the same time not too hot. Sometimes I forget that I'm wearing them because they're so comfortable. So something worth checking out. Yeah, I love these little Chewbacca with that face. These little Chewbacca slippers are so comfy. Super fun. So yeah, I would rate them 5 stars out of 5 stars. They're really great. They do exactly what they say they're gonna do, and they make me laugh at the same time, which is super fun. So check them out.